Alabama to Wisconsin.
Okay.
And everywhere in between.
All right. Also, almost if not more exciting, we have some games today.
Woo!
Woo! We have our Switch games in Mario Kart Deluxe, and we have Minecraft.
I think we have a total of 6 games coming. So you're out with. Enjoy Harjo Book Remember, just in time for National Poetry Month.
Hooray! Oh, we have not only Sailor Moon Season 1, but Season 2.
A-Train Allen by Leslie Young.
Josephine and her dishwashing machine.
My Wish for the World.
Pitch Perfect and Persistent, the musical debut of Amy Cheney Beach.
The Umbrella.
And Hank on First, how Hank Greenberg became a star on and off the field.
The Storyteller's Rule.
Oh, listen, how Evelyn Glennie, a deaf girl, changed percussion.
The Hospital Book.
Ooh, Ancient Night.
Finding Calm in Nature, a guide for mindful kids.
Ooh, we have The Candy Shop War Carnival Quest.
Stella Diaz, Leaps to the Future.
Oh, we have Hidden Hope.
Americans weren't the first to live on the frontier, exposing myths about the American frontier.
Oh my. And we also have The Woman in the Moon. Ooh, how Margaret Hamilton helped fly the first astronauts to the moon.
Cool.
Exciting.
Ooh, Science Comics, the Periodic Table of Elements.
Ooh. And we have Jumps In. Oh, Anyana Damar Hudson.
Mish, the Bad Demon.
Ooh. Ooh, Dinosaur Sanctuary 2.
Coding activities for making animation and art in Scratch.
A Beautiful House for Birds.
The Big Backyard, the solar system beyond Pluto.
We have Palace of Books.
Too Small Tola Gets Tough.
This is a story.
Dream big, laugh often, and more great advice from the Bible.
And we have When Sunlight Tiptoes.
Shall we dance? Dancing Animals.
Okay. We have Where Are the Eggs?
Roto and Roy to the rescue.
We have No Fair.
The Curiosities.
Well, hopefully we won't have to think about this for a good while. Snow Globe Wishes.
Cranky Chicken.
One Day.
Book 2 of the Cranky Chicken series, Cranky Chicken Party Animals.
Ooh, Izzy Azumi, future dog owner.
Global Warming.
Ooh, Pete the Kitty's outdoor art project.
Harboring Hope.
We have Michi challenges history from farm girl to costume designer.
Neat. Zara's Rules for Living Your Best Life.
And we have The Night Before Feud, right?
I think.
I'll have to look it up.
Yes.
Make sure we have it right.
Mirror to Mirror, another new Rajani Laraka book.
Ooh, and 20 questions.
My last one in this box is The Monkey Trial, John Scopes and the Battle Over Teaching Evolution.
Well. Ooh, we have Kid Kitchen.
Markets, a world to discover.
Total garbage.
Get out and vote how you can shape the future.
Ooh, dig deep, connecting archaeology, oceans, and us.
Stars of the Night, the courageous children of the Czech Kinder Transport. Wow.
So
Thanks.